Hello guys and welcome to TechRick's tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to make a photo slideshow in TikTok. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our TikTok app right here. And once we open our TikTok app, all we have to do is to click this plus icon right here on the middle bottom. So and once you click that, you will be directed here, and then all we have to do is to click this upload button right here. So just click it and then just add the photo that you want to slideshow with. So let's say for example that we want to create a slideshow with this 5 picture. So just add it. So just click it and then click. After you click it, as you can see right there, we now have created a photo slideshow in TikTok. So you can also add text, stickers, filters, and then also crop the picture, and then we can also change the music right there if you want to. And then after you're done with this, just click next right there, and then you can also add the description of your photo slideshow, and then you can also edit this one. You can also edit more options, and then of course you can also share it to WhatsApp, Facebook, and more. After you're done with this, just click post, and then it will now be automatically posted to your TikTok account. So as you can see right there, we now have created a TikTok photo slideshow. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.